Congratulations on purchasing a Lotus VE Sit-Stand Workstation. You are one step closer to a healthier you. We are going to show you how to assemble the Lotus VE. Your Lotus VE comes unassembled, but the hardware is included. First, choose one of the 3 locations based on the depth of your desk. Attach the tower pole to the base plate. For thicker desks, you will need to flip the base clamp and reinstall the 2 bolts. Ensure the tower pole is facing the correct way. Attach the base to the table. Attach the platform to the tower pole. Next, attach the VESA assembly to the tower pole and attach the monitor to the VESA plates. You can adjust the tension of the VESA assembly by removing the plastic cap and using the 2 provided hex wrenches. Next, attach the lever to the platform. Engage the lever to raise the platform to the highest position. Then, set up cable management clips. It's recommended to adhere 2 underneath the platform. Place your keyboard and mouse on the platform and route the cords through the cord channel. Snap the cables into place underneath the platform and along the tower pole. Run the monitor cords down the rear of the tower pole. Now your Lotus VE is ready to use. Take a stand against sitting with the Fellows Lotus VE Sit-Stand Workstation.